Salesforce evolves continuously. It adds new features, enhancements, improvement 3 times a year. uh, you know, and having a clear release strategy can help us to stay on top of all these changes. It can ensure smooth updates and it can allow us to unlock all the new functionality for our end users. So we need to know the Salesforce release cycle. Uh, Salesforce names it releases after seasons and years they are launched. uh, we can have spring release, summer release, and winter release. So if you see something like winter 24, it's actually came out a year earlier, like around October 2023. And if we talk about spring release, it usually comes in February, and summer comes around June. So all these releases are not small updates, but they can bring dozens, hundreds of new features, new improvements, security updates, product enhancements. So that's a lot to keep up with. And Salesforce manages all these releases in 3 phases majorly. It can be pilot, beta, and generally available. So, pilot is usually for a small group of customers who first test features early, and then in beta, we can have public testing, but the support is limited under beta. And then we can have the third phase, which is generally available, which is fully supported and official features are delivered with the release. So, when it is generally available, it is for everyone. Now, let's talk about how these releases actually work on the Salesforce platform. We know that Salesforce is a multi tenant, metadata driven cloud platform, which means all customers run the same version, and updates, all the upgrades are automatic, and there is no need to worry about installing any update or managing hardware. Each release only involves about like 5 to 10 minutes of maintenance on the Salesforce side, and after that we instantly get access to all the new features once they are become generally available. So we need to consider few points, like you never have to install any patches or download any updates. Salesforce does it for you. And we can never have to manage versions across your orgs. Everything happens in the cloud seamlessly. And if you want to see the release updates available for your org, uh, we can check it from release updates. So you need to go in setup, enter release updates in quick find box, and then we can see the release updates. And this page will show you all the features you can enable or explore before they are automatically applied. So to summarize, Salesforce releases happen 3 times a year: spring, summer, winter. And releases move through pilot, beta, and generally available phases. And then Salesforce upgrades are automatic, and all customers run the same version. And as admins, uh, having a release strategy helps you to stay ahead, test new features, and plan rollouts effectively.